Dirty pillows like these in hotel rooms and in hospitals are quite common. Even if they place a cover on it, you do not know how clean is the cover, if there are stains, and how can you get rid of this problem. So let me tell you or show you what's the solution rather. If you have a t-shirt, okay, usually when we travel or go anywhere, we do carry a t-shirt. Just push in your pillow inside the t-shirt and then simply push the hand area inside like this. The arm area, you have to push it inside. See, the arm area is completely covered, you cannot make out. And that's it. That's a new pillowcase which is completely bacteria free, and you do not need to worry who used the pillow before you and all. You can just sleep nicely with a peaceful sleep. Useful hack, right? Then please do share it with others. And for more interesting hacks, please do subscribe. I'll see you next time.